accidentally replaced an important file with the wrong version, or maybe you just need to go back to an earlier copy. Google Drive includes version history features that make recovering previous versions much easier. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to restore previous versions of files in Google Drive in 2026. So let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign in to your Google account. Then locate the file whose previous version you'd like to restore. Keep in mind that version history is available for supported files and uploaded files that maintain version history. For supported Google Workspace files like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, open the file, then access version history from the File menu. For other uploaded file types, right-click the file in Google Drive and look for version history or manage versions if it's available. Next, browse through the available versions. Each version usually includes the date and time it was saved, making it easier to identify the copy you want. Take a moment to preview the content before restoring anything. Once you've found the correct version, choose the Restore option. Google Drive will make that version the current one while still keeping the version history available. Yeah, this makes it easy to recover from accidental edits without permanently losing newer versions. For certain uploaded file types, you can also replace the existing file by uploading a newer version instead of creating a separate copy. This keeps multiple versions organized under the same file. This feature is especially useful for files like PDFs, presentations, or design documents. Finally, review the restored file to make sure everything is exactly as expected. If necessary, you can return to the version history again and restore a different version. So don't worry too much about making a mistake, because version history gives you flexibility. And that's how to restore previous versions of files in Google Drive. Whether you're recovering an older document or undoing accidental changes, version history makes the process quick and reliable. I mean, it's one of the most useful features that many people don't even realize is available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.